everyone. Welcome back to USA Dream Vehicles, where we bring you the latest, greatest, and sometimes the most unexpected automotive reveals. Today, we're diving into a car that blends retro charm with modern innovation. The all-new 2025 Volkswagen Karmann. That's right. The legendary Karmann name is back, and VW is doing it in a way that honors the past while charging boldly into the future. So buckle up, because this isn't just a car, it's a statement. Exterior design, a retro modern masterpiece, first impressions matter, and the 2025 Karmann knows how to make one. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you're hit with a wave of nostalgia. Its sleek coupe silhouette is clearly inspired by the classic Karmann Ghia, but the details are pure 2025. LED matrix headlights are sculpted into a rounded front fascia that blends elegance and aggression. A low-slung aerodynamic profile with flared fenders hints at performance, while the wraparound rear light bar gives it a futuristic vibe. The sculpted hood, bold VW badge, and optional two-tone paint schemes are pure eye candy. Whether you're a fan of retro rides or modern muscle, the Karmann strikes a perfect balance. Interior design, minimalist luxury step inside, and the retro-modern theme continues. The 2025 Karmann offers a cabin that's both futuristic and warm. Soft-touch materials, eco-friendly recycled fabrics, and brushed aluminum accents elevate the vibe. At the center is a curved 12.9-inch infotainment screen, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard, accompanied by a customizable 10.2-inch digital driver cluster, voice-activated controls, ambient lighting with 64 color options, and a minimalist center console make it feel like a spaceship for the road. Volkswagen has also focused on driver and passenger comfort. Heated and ventilated leather seats, a panoramic glass roof, wireless charging, and an optional premium Harman Kardon sound system are just a few of the features that stand out. And yes, the rear seats are actually usable, thanks to a slightly longer wheelbase than the previous concept cars. Performance, smooth and spirited under the hood, or should we say beneath the floor, lies a cutting-edge electric powertrain. The Karmann is built on VW's MEB Plus platform, and you can expect two main versions at launch. A single-motor RWD model producing around 250 horsepower, perfect for daily driving with a touch of sportiness, and a dual-motor AWD GT variant, cranking out over 370 horsepower, capable of launching from 0 to 60 mph in under 4.7 seconds of range. VW promises up to 340 miles on a full charge for the RWD version, thanks to a new 84 kWh battery pack and improved aerodynamics. It also supports ultra-fast DC charging, 10% to 80% in just 25 minutes. Safety, high-tech peace-of-mind safety is a major focus. The 2025 Karmann comes with VW's latest IQ Drive 3.0 suite, including adaptive cruise control with lane centering, emergency autonomous braking, rear cross-traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, and even hands-free highway assist in the top trims. It also comes equipped with 8 airbags, a 360-degree camera, and Volkswagen's new predictive safety system that scans the road ahead and prepares the cabin in milliseconds before an accident. Pricing. Stylish but not cheap now. Let's talk price. The base Karmann is expected to start around $42,000, which positions it nicely against EV rivals like the Tesla Model 3 and Hyundai Ioniq 6. The AWD GT variant could stretch closer to $54,000, but with that performance and heritage design, it might just be worth it. Overall verdict, the comeback of a legend. So what do we think? The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann isn't just a retro rebadge. It's a bold, beautiful reinterpretation of a classic. It combines old-school soul with new-age tech, performance with sustainability, and comfort with character. Whether you're a longtime VW fan or someone looking for an EV that doesn't look like every other pod on the road, the Karmann delivers. Thanks for watching. If you love this look at the 2025 VW Karmann, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more epic car reveals, and let us know in the comments. Would you drive one of these legendary coupes reborn for the electric age? See you in the next video. Until then, stay driven. Would you like a Japanese version of this script too?